If you are tired of manually posting, copy-pasting content, or forgetting to stay consistent, this video is going to change everything. Hi everyone, I'm Carol, and today I'm going to show you the ultimate way to automate your LinkedIn post using Late. LinkedIn is all about consistency, and if you're posting regularly, you get more reach, more profile visits, more engagement, and more opportunities. But posting every day or several days a week can be exhausting. That's where Late comes in. With Late, you can plan, organize, schedule, write, and publish all your LinkedIn content automatically. And today I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. Before we jump into the demo, here is what you will need. First of all, a Late account. You can sync up at getlate.dev and it's super easy. You can even sync in with Google. Second, your LinkedIn account. It can be your personal profile or your company page. And that's all. No coding and no complicated setup. Late handles all the automation for you. Alright, let's jump into the actual tutorial. First of all, you have to log into Late. Once you are on your dashboard, you will see in the left bar the post section and the connections section. Then you have to go to the connections and connect your LinkedIn account. Whether it's your personal or company profile, you have to follow the steps shown on the screen and authorize the connection. And boom, you are already connected. No tokens, no APIs, just click and go. Now let's go to our post section. Here on the right upper side, you will see create a post. You have to click on it and there you have it. You can upload the media you want and write your content. Then you can choose when you want your post to go live. You can schedule it for later, choosing date and time. You can post it now, save it as a draft and come back later to edit it. Or you can add it to the queue, so it will go live in the next available slot. We have another video in our channel explaining how the queue works. Plus, with Late, you can schedule your first comment on LinkedIn, add tags and include a link preview on your LinkedIn posts. Once everything is ready, you hit schedule and Late will automatically send the post to LinkedIn at the moment you have selected. From now on, everything is automated. You write once, schedule once, and Late takes care of the rest. And that's how you automate your entire LinkedIn posting workflow using Late. As you can see, it's super easy and for everyone. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye!